sundo for today. Gab.
Ma'am Darling, no? 300.
Ito pala si random name. Yan. Yung magaling mag-AK. Yan. Yan. Gabriel!
Gulat ako. Go na.
Look who just arrived.
Wait lang, yung bed ko.
Brother Luis! Brother Luis! Sabi ko, tumawid ka.
Tumuwid niyo ako, tapos pinatawid mo ulit ako. Men, palagay dyan sa likod, men. Basa kasi. Asok! Thank you.
Grabe. Oh, kamusta Cebu?
Ayos lang, boss!
So we are finally here at MOA kasama ko si Gab and Luis. We are going to buy a ticket for the ESGS event.
Hi sa vlog! Kuya Pad, mga criminals, yan. Picture kayo nga kay Darling.
Yes.
Hi, crush ko si Mommy Dar, sobra. And I'm a Viper main. I'm also a Valorant streamer. You can follow me on twitch.tv/mommyggv. Thank you!
It's been 24 hours and wala pa akong tulog dito since flight. Gusto ko pa sana maglibot kaso sumasakit na yung paa ko, so I rest for a while.
Guys.
Yeah. Siyempre, the only tatay.
Ian. All of the Hershey. Very good.
And guys, ang dami na stranded dahil sa bagyong paeng. Ayan.
Tatay content creator.
Tatay! Nandito. How's the experience?
Very, very good.
Very, very good. Pero hassle. Super stress. Ayan na. Dami na kami dito, guys.
Content creator lahat na nandito tayo.
Bootcamp na, bootcamp.
Bootcamp.
Yung hotel ginawang bootcamp.
Ano guys, may Starbucks kasi dito guys. Ngayon, nasa isip ko, pag pumunta kami sa Starbucks, bibili lang kami ng kape, tapos higop lang kami ng isa, din alis na. Yung tipong parang mayaman, yung pagkabili mo ng kape, higop na isa, tapos lagay sa table, alis na.
Hi guys, so punta na kami ng MOA. MOA. Thank you, Gab. Thank you.
Cause I feel haunted in my bedroom. The floorboards in the
Guys,
next
I'm with
room
Ate Jetsi.
will keep me warm. 'Cause you ought to know nothing about you makes me nervous. I feel right at home.
Vlog kami. Oh,
Hi guys, finally nakita ko na siya. Dati nagkukulit lang ako sa stream ka.
Follow, guys.
Nice meeting you, Darling. Hi guys! I vlog. Do subscribe to Darling.
Toxic. Hi guys, so right now we are lining up for the riot route. Ano guys, actually fun fact, dalawang pila na umulit. So si Darling kasi may kasalanan talaga guys. Umulit kasi ito si Jency hindi nag-red. May registration pala, hindi sinabi. Siguro na kami. Mag-1 hour na kami, pumila kami ulit. Pero okay lang. Pero okay lang, worth the wait naman. Worth the wait. Guys, may umabol sa atin. Ramen! Ayan si Ramen.
Hello.
Ito si Ramen, guys. Yung nangagalit sa balo. Pinapagalitan ako nito eh. Lagi na lang eh. Ramen! Yes, we're going out for dinner, guys. Dinner.
While waiting for my flight back to Cebu, we hang out for a while here in TNC near at Ramen's place. This is my first time to play with them in real life because we always hang out online. It was super fun. I really love this trip and I wasn't expecting that this would happen, to be able to travel alone. I was having anxiety because this was gonna be totally out of my comfort zone, but at the same time, I'm proud of myself because I pushed my limits and here we are, enjoying our trip.